Hello everyone! A few folks have been asking me about the speed and limitations for JuxtAPPose Free versus the standard version. You can check out the summary of the differences in the page from the video description. For this video, I'm going to focus on the comparison process, speed, and limitation for the free version. The very first thing to know is that 5 megabytes is the file size limit you can load into the program on each side. For larger documents, or obtaining data from databases, running queries, and other features, I highly recommend you to look at the standard version. This time I prepared a demonstration with a file of almost 5 megabytes, and I'm going to show you real quick what I'm talking about here. This is almost 50,000 rows and 14 columns. So at this point, I'm just going to load the same file on each side, extract, and set the key. And I'm just going to let the program run . And as we can see, JuxtAPPose Free was able to finish the job in less than 15 seconds, which is a great time considering the volume of data we're using, and for being a free version, I think this is just perfect. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're ready to learn more, just refer to the webpage in the video description. We will be uploading more content about other examples and new features. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.